Hi guys, so we are at Greatford level crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe and Golden Minecart and Jamie.
Hi guys, we're at Greatford level crossing in Lincolnshire with Golden, Joe and Jamie.
There we go,
there we go now. The time now is 09:43 on Saturday the 10th of October 2015, this is for our 09:43, 09:43, 1 Yankee 16 Virgin Trains East Coast service from Newcastle to Lincolnshire Cross.
I can't see it, there's no cameras. This is a...
Expected 40, it's expected 46 that one. Jamie!
I noticed that.
Jamie! It's expected 46.
You wait for your 9:43. Slightly delayed, 9:43. 1 Yankee 16, Virgin Trains East Coast service from Newcastle to Lincolnshire Cross.
Expected 46.
Hey?
It says expected 46.
Yes.
Should be coming from that way, over there.
I might come across on some side.
We're going to Tallington next.
Oh, we're going back!
Yeah.
We're going back to Tallington once again. Awesome. Right.
Morning. What are you waiting for?
I've got a
today?
rubbish signal.
Filming in January.
Alright.
We're filming all the crossings in
rubbish
between
signal.
this crossing. This is our first crossing, then we're going up to Everton level crossing to Stevenage or Huntingdon.
Cool. Last time we were out, we saw the bits in the steam train.
Oh yeah, that was Flying Scotsman. It was back in service now. Oh, that means it might stop.
Look at this.
Oh, what is it, Joe?
Look at the skirt there.
Oh, how did that manage to fall off?
Look.
Oh God.
It's a flashing green down there. Unless we stay down for our 9:49, 1009 Virgin Trains East Coast to Lincolnshire Cross at Edinburgh.
We might be going up after this. We might be going up after the 09:43.
This is my second trip to Greatford. It's probably about my sixth trip to Tallington.
You've been to Tallington with
Adam all the time.
Yeah, with Adam.
Oh, not Adam B.
Yes.
I've got. Look at my signature.
Right, let's see.
Yeah. Here she is.
Oh, here she is.
43. £3.
I hope it's a 43,307. I hope it is. What?
43 £3.
No, not yet.
43 208.
43 296 to Lincolnshire Cross, and up they go.
Cheers, Ed. Enjoy.
Thank you. Thank you guys. We'll see you in the next video.
Look how rusty that is. Look at that.
Adam have experience.
Guys, look how rusty that is. Thanks guys, see you next video.